SMD components count. First, we load the empty reels onto the tray on the right side. Then, we load the reels with components onto the tray on the left side. Next, power on the machine. A long beep will sound during startup, and the switch's indicator light will turn on. Measure the component spacing. As shown here, it is 4 cm. Next, press the pitch button. Input the measured spacing value. Then press the Enter button to confirm. We can also set the counting speed. Press the speed button, then enter the target speed value. For this example, set it to 20. Align the component tape with the gears, inserting it with the sprocket holes oriented downward. Visually identify the first component on the tape. Long press the Stop Clear button to reset the counter display to 0000. Wind the component tape onto the empty reel. Rotating the reel clockwise to ensure tight and secure winding. Push the fixed platform with the handle upward, then twist the handle to the right to lock it into place. Press the right button to start. We observe that some material items remain unprocessed. Rotate the right side material tray clockwise to complete the process.